Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming that macros are allowed. This is the only legitimate path. Once confirmed, update the game client and pick a supported input device. Make sure to install the vendor-approved macro tool or open the built-in macro editor. You do this to avoid account penalties and unpredictable behavior. Next, back up current key bindings and plan the exact sequence you want the macro to perform. Once planned, proceed to record a short, repeatable sequence rather than relying on complex random inputs. Now you create the macro by recording the planned sequence. Keep it concise, 3 to 10 actions is ideal. While recording, normalize delays so inputs mimic human timing and reduce detectability. Avoid artificial millisecond randomness. After recording, trim and adjust pauses, then save as a named profile version for iteration. Once saved, test the macro in an offline or practice mode to confirm consistency. If it fails, revert to the previous save and isolate the problematic step before. Finish by binding the tested macro to a spare key or controller button and enable it only where permitted. Once active, monitor how it performs during normal play for 10 to 20 minutes and watch for unintended repeats or missed inputs. If anything looks abnormal, disable the macro immediately and load an earlier saved version. Key troubleshooting tip. If inputs lag or drop, check polling rate, USB port, and background software conflicts. Resolving those usually restores reliable macro execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.